when you're a VP of sales at an early stage company like me, they're like scrutinizing your dinner bill, trying to figure out how you spent $35 at dinner because that's too much.
Yeah, and
Meanwhile, Nicholas is flying around in a private jet.
Indeed, and the guy Sundar Pichai was head of the Chrome business unit, so the guy was now CEO of Google, and so I have this meeting with him, and true story, the guy said, "Wow, your dream comes true. We want to buy your services." And I with my friend, we step out and say, "So what do you think we should do?" And say, "Let's ask for prepayment. Are you ready for the size of the prepayment?"
Yeah.
$500 million.
Oh my God.
We say, sign the contract, $500 million prepayment. And so we walk back in, and Sundar goes, that seems reasonable.
Oh my God.
You might be the first VP of sales I know who closed one deal worth $500 million.
I just got the title of the podcast episode is how to close $500 million in a prepayment.
Yeah, I don't want no one else. No other guest on the podcast is allowed to brag about their biggest deal ever again.
No.